Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to improve my communication skills.
Where do you usually study English?
I usually study English at home and in class.
Who helps you learn English?
My teacher and friends help me learn English.
What books do you use for English practice?
I use grammar and storybooks for English practice.
How do you practice speaking English?
I practice speaking English with my classmates.
What words do you find difficult in English?
I find long and uncommon words difficult in English.
What do you usually read in English?
I usually read short stories in English.
What do you usually write in English?
I usually write sentences and small essays in English.
What kind of movies do you watch to learn English?
I watch English cartoons and simple movies to learn.
What songs do you listen to in English?
I listen to slow English songs to learn new words.
How do you learn English vocabulary?
I learn English vocabulary by writing and repeating words.
How do you remember new English words?
I remember new English words by using them in sentences.
What app do you use to learn English?
I use a dictionary app to learn English.
What language do you translate into English?
I translate my mother tongue into English.
How do you learn English grammar?
I learn English grammar by doing exercises daily.
What do you usually say when greeting in English?
I usually say hello and how are you in English.
What do you usually say when leaving in English?
I usually say goodbye or see you later in English.
How do you practice English at home?
I practice English at home by reading aloud.
How do you practice English at school?
I practice English at school by answering in English.
How do you practice English on the phone?
I practice English on the phone by talking to friends.
Who checks your English homework?
My teacher checks my English homework.
What mistakes do you often make in English?
I often make mistakes in tenses in English.
How do you correct your English mistakes?
I correct my English mistakes by rewriting them.
How do you improve your English pronunciation?
I improve my English pronunciation by listening carefully.
What do you usually write in English class?
I usually write short answers in English class.
What do you usually read in English class?
I usually read passages in English class.
What do you usually listen to in English class?
I usually listen to my teacher in English class.
What do you usually speak about in English class?
I usually speak about daily life in English class.
How do you ask questions in English?
I ask questions politely in English.
How do you answer questions in English?
I answer questions with short and clear sentences in English.
How do you practice English grammar daily?
I practice English grammar daily by writing examples.
How do you use new English words?
I use new English words in small conversations.
Who do you practice English with at home?
I practice English with my brother at home.
Who do you practice English with at school?
I practice English with my classmates at school.
How do you practice English listening?
I practice English listening by watching videos.
How do you practice English writing?
I practice English writing by keeping a diary.
How do you practice English reading?
I practice English reading by reading aloud.
What English words do you use daily?
I use greetings and simple words daily in English.
What English sentences do you say daily?
I say, how are you, and I am fine daily in English.
What English words are easy for you?
Simple action words are easy for me in English.
What English words are hard for you?
Long medical and science words are hard for me.
How do you remember English spelling?
I remember English spelling by writing many times.
How do you practice English on holidays?
I practice English on holidays by reading stories.
How do you practice English during travel?
I practice English during travel by talking to tourists.
How do you learn English phrases?
I learn English phrases by memorizing dialogues.
What English shows do you watch?
I watch English news and cartoons.
What English books do you read?
I read English storybooks and poems.
What English games do you play?
I play word puzzle games in English.
How do you practice English with friends?
I practice English with friends by talking daily.
How do you practice English with teachers?
I practice English with teachers by asking questions.
How do you practice English online?
I practice English online by joining groups.
How do you practice English in class?
I practice English in class by answering aloud.
What English exam do you prepare for?
I prepare for my school English exam.
How do you prepare for English exams?
I prepare for English exams by revising notes.
What kind of English teacher do you like?
I like a kind and patient English teacher.
How do you feel when speaking English?
I feel confident when speaking English.
How do you feel when reading English?
I feel interested when reading English.
How do you feel when writing English?
I feel focused when writing English.
How do you feel when listening to English?
I feel excited when listening to English.
What is your favorite English word?
My favorite English word is friend.
What is your favorite English sentence?
My favorite English sentence is never give up.
What is your favorite English song?
My favorite English song is a slow pop song.
What is your favorite English movie?
My favorite English movie is a comedy.
What is your favorite English book?
My favorite English book is a short novel.
How do you practice English every morning?
I practice English every morning by reading.
How do you practice English every night?
I practice English every night by writing.
What is the easiest part of learning English?
The easiest part is learning simple words.
What is the hardest part of learning English?
The hardest part is grammar rules.
How do you practice English grammar rules?
I practice grammar rules by solving exercises.
How do you use a dictionary in English?
I use a dictionary to find meanings in English.
What English videos do you watch?
I watch English learning videos.
What English news do you listen to?
I listen to English news on TV.
What English websites do you visit?
I visit English learning websites.
How do you improve English day by day?
I improve English day by day with practice.
Who checks your English writing?
My teacher checks my English writing.
Who corrects your English speaking?
My friend corrects my English speaking.
Who teaches you English grammar?
My teacher teaches me English grammar.
Who teaches you English reading?
My teacher teaches me English reading.
Who teaches you English writing?
My teacher teaches me English writing.
Who teaches you English listening?
My teacher teaches me English listening.
How do you learn English idioms?
I learn English idioms from books.
How do you learn English slang?
I learn English slang from movies.
How do you learn English pronunciation?
I learn pronunciation by listening carefully.
How do you learn English spelling?
I learn spelling by practicing daily.
How do you learn English dialogues?
I learn dialogues by repeating them.
How do you practice English tenses?
I practice tenses by making sentences.
How do you practice English essays?
I practice essays by writing small ones.
How do you practice English letters?
I practice letters by writing to friends.
How do you practice English stories?
I practice stories by writing short ones.
What English words do you use at school?
I use simple classroom words in English at school.
What English words do you use at home?
I use greetings and requests in English at home.
What English words do you use at shops?
I use buying and asking words in English at shops.
What English words do you use at work?
I use polite and formal words in English at work.
What English words do you use when traveling?
I use asking and directions words in English when traveling.
How do you practice English speaking in class?
I practice speaking in class by answering in English.
How do you practice English speaking at home?
I practice speaking at home with family.
How do you practice English listening daily?
I practice listening daily by hearing audio clips.
How do you practice English writing daily?
I practice writing daily by making sentences.
How do you practice English reading daily?
I practice reading daily by reading books.
What do you like most about learning English?
I like understanding people from other countries.